What if I told you you could live anywhere in the United States without ever owning a house? Imagine waking up every day to a completely different view. The snow-capped mountains of Colorado one morning, the golden beaches of California the next, and maybe a quiet forest somewhere in Oregon by sunset. Thousands of people across the country are choosing a lifestyle that many only dream about, living in an RV full-time. But is it really freedom, or just a romanticized struggle? In this video, I'm going to take you through everything you need to know about RV life in the USA. From the inside of an RV, to the costs, the challenges, the benefits, and the realities you don't see on social media. By the end, you'll know if this lifestyle is right for you. Number 1. What is RV life? An RV, or recreational vehicle, is essentially a home on wheels, and it comes in all shapes and sizes. At its core, RV life is about mobility, adventure, and living with less while exploring more. People choose this lifestyle for many reasons. The freedom to travel without hotel bookings, the ability to work remotely from anywhere, or simply the love for the open road. In the United States, there are 3 main types of RVs. Class A RVs are the big luxury motorhomes, often as large as a city bus, equipped with full kitchens, bathrooms, washers, dryers, and even entertainment centers. They are perfect for people who want comfort and long-term travel. Class B RVs, or camper vans, are smaller, fuel-efficient, and easier to park, ideal for couples or solo travelers who want flexibility and a minimalist approach. Class C RVs are a middle ground, slightly smaller than Class A but larger than a camper van, featuring an overhead sleeping area and enough space for families or small groups. Some people even customize their vans or buses, turning them into tiny homes on wheels. The beauty of RV life is in the freedom. You can wake up in one state, have breakfast by a lake, and by evening, be in a completely different city exploring a new neighborhood. It's not just about travel, it's about rethinking what home really means. Many people also choose RV life to connect more deeply with nature. Instead of staring at walls and windows in a traditional home, you can wake up to the sounds of birds chirping, waves crashing, or leaves rustling in the wind. It's a lifestyle that encourages mindfulness, appreciating the small moments and living in the present. For families, RV life can be an incredible bonding experience, with road trips doubling as lessons in geography, history, and outdoor skills. Number 2. Inside an RV, many people assume living in an RV must be cramped or uncomfortable. But modern RVs are cleverly designed to maximize space and utility. Most come with a compact kitchen, including a stove, a sink, and a fridge that's surprisingly spacious. Cooking your meals on the road becomes a daily adventure, whether it's making coffee while watching the sunrise or preparing a full dinner after a day of hiking. Sleeping areas vary. Some RVs feature full-size beds. Others have convertible sofas, and many use clever underbed storage for clothes and essentials. Bathrooms are small but functional, usually equipped with a toilet, shower, and sometimes a small sink. Storage is a key element, and RV designers utilize every inch with cabinets, drawers, and hidden compartments. Many full-time RVers also personalize their space to feel like home. Some add small plants, photos of family, or creative decorations. Others set up tiny workstations with laptops, cameras, or art supplies. For those traveling with pets, RVs often have designated spaces for pets to sleep, eat, or relax safely. One of the most magical parts of RV life is waking up to a completely new view every day. A lake one morning, a desert sunrise the next, and maybe a quiet forest somewhere in between. And by the way, If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel and keeps you updated on all things RV life. Number 3. Cost of RV life. Now let's talk about one of the biggest questions on everyone's mind. How much does it really cost to live on the road in an RV? First, there's the RV itself. A used RV can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000, depending on the model and condition, while brand new luxury RVs can easily exceed $100,000. Then comes fuel. RVs are heavy and consume much more gas than a regular car, often averaging around 8-12 miles per gallon. Fuel costs alone can be a significant part of your monthly budget, especially if you're traveling long distances. Parking and camping fees are another consideration. Many RVers stay at RV parks or campgrounds, which can range from $20 to $80 per night, depending on location and amenities. For those who want to save money, boondocking is a popular option, camping for free on public land, often in remote areas. While boondocking can save money, it requires preparation, including water storage, solar power, and waste management. Maintenance is another ongoing cost. RVs, like houses on wheels, require upkeep, repairs, and sometimes upgrades. Insurance is also a must, with costs depending on your RV type, age, and coverage. Utilities like propane, electricity, and internet can add to the monthly expenses. Beyond the numbers, RV life can actually save money in surprising ways. You don't pay property taxes, city utilities, or rent. Many travelers cook all their meals, reducing eating out costs. Some even combine work and travel, freelancing, or running online businesses, which can make the lifestyle sustainable. The key is careful planning, budgeting, and embracing minimalism. The financial trade-offs might seem big at first, but the freedom and experiences you gain often outweigh the costs. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more about RV life in the USA, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments, would you ever consider living in an RV full-time? Remember, adventure is out there, you just have to hit the road. Whether it's chasing sunsets, exploring hidden trails, or waking up to the sound of birds in the forest, RV life offers a level of freedom that few other lifestyles can match. With a vehicle, a sense of adventure, and the willingness to embrace a simpler, more mobile way of life, the open road becomes your home, your classroom, and your playground, all at the same time.